Hello kids, welcome back. As we were studying about flying high, the lesson 8 flying high, we have introduced some of the bird by the puzzles and we have learnt about the body parts of the birds which is very common. I need to do a changes because it looks like a sparrow but it is not sparrow, not even a weaver bird. ये वेवर बर्ड भी नहीं है, स्पैरो भी नहीं है, यहाँ पर टेलर बर्ड है. This is Taylor bird. I will send you the link and link on YouTube that how the weaver bird waved the leaves. Okay, let's continue. We have finished introducing the birds. Now let's start this. We all are special in our own way. Our claws, beaks, feathers, and sounds are different. Yet we are all birds. Like we all are human, we look different from each other. Our voice very have the variation. Alag alag hai आवाज़ें. We look, even we have nose, eyes, hand, everything. The similar body parts, but it is not same as it is. My hands look different. Your hand looks different. So, in the same way, birds all have the same body parts, but each bird look different from another bird. Maybe peacock look like another peacock. Parrot look like another parrot, same. But parrot does not look like crow or peacock. They, if we all looked alike, अगर हम same दिखते as it is, ate the same food and made the same sound, think how dull the world would be. Yes, it's true. Just imagine if all birds would look same. See, just take a picture. Think it is crow. This is crow also. This is parrot also. This is pigeon also. You could not find out, nahi? That is the reason all birds are different. They have the different sound. They have the cow. This is the sound of crow, not of pigeon. Gutrugu. That is the sound of. That is the sound of. Yes, that is the sound of pigeon. In the same way, each bird have the different sound, different beak, different colors, different feathers. But the kind of feathers are two. One is down feathers, another one is flight feather. Flight feather will be little harder, जो उनको उड़ने में मदद करे. Down feather will be very soft and fluffy. वो उनके पेट के निचले हिस्से में होते हैं. This part. So two kind of feather they have. But the color of the feathers completely different from each other. Which of the birds mentioned in the lesson have you seen? Write their names. In the lesson, they have mentioned some of the birds' names we have already introduced in this way. Which all the birds you have seen, you need to write in the page number 54, question number first. Now go outside and look for the birds on tree, in water, on ground, in and around the bushes. How many birds could you see? Which are the bird? See, I don't suggest you right now to go out of the house. But if there is a tree in your backyard at home, then please do watch at your tree. Then which are the birds you can see on the ground and around the bushes? How many birds could you see? Just this is also activity which should be done in your notebook. In the table, write the names of the birds and tick the places where do you saw them. If you do not know the names of any bird, then write how you would know it. See, almost we know the bird's name. I have written 5 of the bird's name. Just let me clear. Duck will found in water. On the tree, no. On the ground, yes, sometime. It lives on the ground and on the water too. In the house, few. किसी किसी की like as a pet, some of them will keep the duck as a pet. Flying, no. So you need to tick in this way: crow, hen, eagle. You can replace these birds also with other name. Have you ever noticed that different birds have different type of beaks? And do you know why? Can you see here? Birds have different kind of beaks. They have no teeth. Remember, birds does not have any teeth in their mouth or beak. They use their beak to catch and hold the food. The shape of the bird's beak tells us about what kind of food they eat. The shape of the bird's beak tells us what kind of food they eat. As you can see, pigeon have short and hard beak. इनकी छोटी और hard beak होती है. Vulture has hooked beak. Can you see? This is called hooked. आपकी ड्रेस का भी हुक लगाते हो ना, in the same way, hooked beak. Parrot have curved beak. Curved. The shape of the beak curved. Duck have broad and flat beak. Do you know why this bird have different beaks? Because it depends how they eat their food, how they hold, catch or eat their food. Birds like pigeon and sparrow and peacocks have short and hard beaks. They use it for biting and cracking the seeds and nut. उसको कुतरने में और खाने में आसानी हो, इसीलिए उनके शॉर्ट यानी सीड्स को एंड बोर्ड शॉर्ट एंड हार्ड बीक होती है. किसकी? बर्ड्स लाइक पिजन, स्पैरो एंड पीकॉक. Kites, eagle and vulture have sharp hooked beaks to tear the flesh of other birds and animal. Kites, eagle and vulture की बीक का सामने वाला हिस्सा नुकीला होता है ताकि वो they could have hook यानी उसको उसके फ्लैश में अपना हुक फंसा के खींच के खा पाए. They could have hooked their beaks in to tear the flesh यानी मांस को फाड़ सके, इसीलिए उनका बीक का शेप इस तरह से होता है. Parrots have curved beak. Parrots have curved beak. It help them to crack the nuts and fruits. They usually eat nuts and fruits. ज़्यादातर पैरट फ्रूट्स खाते हैं, मीठे वाले फल. Woodpecker have strong and straight pointed beak. They make the holes in the bark of the trees and pulled out insects with their beaks. इसके बारे में हमने पहले ही पजल में पढ़ा है. They eat the insect from the bark of the tree. पेड़ की खाल में से बहुत छोटे छोटे इंसेक्ट को वो कुतर के खाते हैं. Water birds like ducks have broad and flat beaks. Their beaks help them to dig the mud यानी अंडर वाटर. पानी के अंदर मिट्टी को खोदने में इनकी ये बोर्ड एंड फ्लैट बीक हेल्प करती है. देर आर स्मॉल ओपनिंग्स ऑल along the edge of the beak. Mud and water is pushed out through these openings. इनके यहाँ पे देखिए, there are small openings all along the edge of the beak. इनके edge के beak के edge में छोटे छोटे ओपनिंग होते हैं जो पानी के अंदर मिट्टी को धक्का देने में हेल्प करते हैं. And also it help these kind of birds to retaining the small plants and flesh inside the beak. Retaining the small plants and fish inside the beak. छोटे छोटे पौधे और मछलियों को अपने बीक में पकड़ बनाए रखने के लिए यहाँ पर ये पोर्सेस उनको हेल्प करते हैं. जो ओपनिंग्स होते हैं उनके बीक के एडजेस में, किनारों में, बीक का एड्ज. दिस इज आवर नेल एड्ज. So let us come back to the lesson. I'll send that page on your WhatsApp. Have you ever noticed that different birds have different type of beak? Already we have seen what is the purpose. The birds have different beaks. Given below are the pictures of beaks of the birds. Look at them carefully and identify the birds and write their names. Look at this beak and tell me which bird is this. This is parrot. This is crow. This is peacock. You're right. See, even eagle have hooked beak like vulture. Can you see? Vulture and eagle have hooked beak. This is eagle, this is vulture. This is which bird? You can draw one more bird in the given space and write the name of that bird. In the blank space, draw a picture of a beak of some other bird which is given already 5 a part of that. Color it and write its name. Just birds have different type of beaks. They also eat the different type of food. While some eat fruits, some eat seeds, some eat eggs, while some eat flesh. As we have already studied, it depends on the shape of the beak. The pigeon, sparrow, peacocks have a short and hard beak which help them to crack the seeds and nut, or biting and cracking the seeds and nuts. Vulture, eagle kind of birds have hooked beak which help them to hook the beaks into to tear the flesh of the animals, other birds or animals. Parrot have curved beak which help it to uh, eat the fruits and nuts. Duck has bowed and flat beak. Duck kind of water birds have bowed and flat beak which help, and in the edges of that edges of the beak, they have the small openings which help them to catch the fish and the plants, small fish and plants in their beak, उनकी पकड़ बनाए रखने के लिए. So all the birds have different beak, and here you need to find which is their food. Vulture, eagle, whatever the bird and their food you need to match. भूल भुलैया है, इससे निकलकर उनके खाने तक पहुंचना है. जैसे let me give you one example. Here dead animal is a bird. Vulture need to go to the dead animal. Let me show you. Vulture have to go in this way to eat its food. You have to do for rest of other birds. Then woodpecker. See, here it is blocked. Then woodpecker also need to come by this way. Woodpecker need to reach here. The insects which is hidden in the trunk of the tree. See, in this way you need to match it. So that's all for today, kids. We'll see some other topic in the next class. Which are the birds can fly, can walk, and their neck movement is different. Why the neck movements are different, and the special eyesight of the bird we can study in the next class. For today, that's all. Bye bye.